¿Cómo estás? Es Marcos, mobile mechanic, and today. Oh shit! I'm sorry. I'm tripping. It's Marcus, mobile mechanic. Today we're gonna be showing y'all how to diagnose the fuel pump on a vehicle using starter fluid. This here is the air box. Every car got one. You got these clamps that's usually up. You just push them back, pop it up like that, and then you'll be able to spray a little bit in there. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like before you do it and after, so that you'll get a good idea on what you're looking for. Now, the sound that it makes when it tries to start with no gas, it's kind of a dry start, if you will. Been working on cars for 12 years, so I kind of know what to look for, listen for. So when I mean dry, it just goes jig, 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 jig. It goes straight to the knot. Jig, 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 jig. You don't hear an explosion. So when you go